Hello, my name is Riccardo Sammartini and I'm a technician from Rubino. At the end of the 1970s, our company started producing its first PVC belts, which were called Vipla belts because the external coverings were made of thermoset plastics instead of thermoplastic ones. Only step junctions could be made, and with the use of bicomponent glues. What are ViplaColor belts? Instead, today we have a thermoplastic PVC conveyor belts, which we call ViplaColor in order to recall the origins of this collection. Our production. We're talking about 18 types of conveyor belts, with polyester fabric on the lower facing side, suitable for conveying countless items in diverse non-food sectors. They meet the needs of 80% of simple conveyor plants, where volumes and working conditions are not particularly complicated. Here are some of the advantages. Warehouse available raw material, ready to be worked. With such a limited range of only 18 products, we reduce the risk of proliferation of similar items, which renders final product costs unmanageable. Wide, simple, inexpensive, and versatile product customization. The ViplaColor PVC belts can be easily worked. It results in a reduction of manufacturing time, which consequently lowers the price to the end user. 100% internal Italian production. Working with in-process quality control, following ISO 9001-2015 certification, our packaging department eliminates any possibility of making mistakes. PVC offers excellent value for money, but at the same time imposes some application limits. Resistant to a maximum 80 degrees Celsius temperature, the minimum roller diameters cannot be lower than 1.18 inches, apart from the monotextile type, which reaches 0.78 inches minimum diameter. Low resistance to solvents, oils, and greases. There are endless fields of application. Here are some examples. Application fields, packaging lines, brush factories, and general production lines. You can find further information on our website, prrubino.it. Thank you for your attention. See you soon!